What's up guys, it's your girl Hannah, back with a new video, and wow, my voice really echoes in this new place. So, this is my first video I'm filming in my new home studio. Look, I'm just gonna go for it today. I am going to try to do this very challenging trend right now, which is doing your makeup A to Z alphabetically instead of, the normal order that it would go in. I've watched a couple videos doing this and why not just try and do it myself, okay? I just want to see how far I personally can get because I think my makeup skills have been getting better. And I was like, and yeah, I should probably post another makeup video because I haven't in a while. But I have posted makeup tutorials onto my Instagram. I've been doing that a lot more lately. There's just like little looks and like what I used for it. But that's kind of what I'm gonna do on my Instagram. On my YouTube channel, I'm gonna do more fun, like entertainment / like experimental videos. And yeah, that's just the kind of plan for now. And I just realized I forgot my beautiful in the other room. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill you in the order that we're gonna be working in today. Blush, brows, concealer, contour, eyeliner, eyeshadow, foundation, lashes, highlighter, then lashes, then mascara, then setting powder, then setting spray. And yeah, your girl doesn't use primer, so I don't even own that. Like, I would add it, but I don't own it, so I don't have to go through that struggle today, at least. I am still very nervous though, so let's get into it, I guess. Okay, so first is blush. I have personally been loving this blush from ColourPop. This is the Zoella collaboration that they did, and this is Soulmate blush. I already moisturized my face and everything. I really kind of like to pack the blush on just because it does fade a lot, and eventually I will have to put my foundation over this, so I kind of want it to show through. And I have pretty full coverage foundation, so I always put a little bit on my nose. I don't know why. That does not look wrong.
Okay, next is brows, yay.
I'm gonna go in with my Tat Brow pen. I'm about to look so scary, y'all. This is the Tat Brow pen. I did a whole video review on this, and yeah, I've liked it ever since. Another thing is my skin is really dry right now because I'm doing this acne treatment. It does use benzoyl peroxide, so that's why if y'all see flakes falling off my face, that's because it's dry as hell. Speaking of skincare, I do want to make a skincare routine as soon as I figure out my perfect regimen. Okay, step 3 is concealer. That's something I can get down with. So I've recently been obsessed with this Born This Way multiple use sculpting concealer, and this is in the shade Vanilla. Oh no, I don't want to ruin my blush. This is gonna look so weird. C4 concealer. Oh no, I might already be setting myself up for a disaster. Oh boy. I'm trying to go around my blush as best I can. Oh, I need to zoom this out, that is scary. Okay, so that was C for concealer, now C for contour. I have this Kat Von D contour brush that I always use. I'm going to be using this Contour 101 palette from Pop Beauty. My Kat Von D one Shattered. I'm going to want to try and make this pretty harsh just so it shows through the foundation. Oh, I feel my eyelids creasing so badly. I just realized I skipped bronzer, but I think this is kind of the same effect as bronzer, so that's okay. Oh my god, I can't forget the nose. Wow, I don't think I've ever oh my god, I contour my nose so hardcore right now. Okay, I've never done it that hardcore, you guys. I'm just hoping this will be a perfect amount of contour after I put foundation over it. After contour, I have eyeliner, then eyeshadow, and then foundation. So I think I'm gonna do a purpley eye look. So I'm gonna start by lining my eyes with this eyeliner from Urban Decay, and it's in the shade Alkaline. Okay, wow, not great. I am not experienced with these, guys. Pro tip, you can smudge it out with this end. So, not bad. So that one was a little bit more wonky, but I still think I don't look bad yet. After eyeliner goes eyeshadow. I'm just gonna try to pat those creases out a little bit with my fingers. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I think I'm gonna go in with some orange. I'm using my Cruelty matte palette, and I'm gonna be using Vegas right here. I'm gonna get as small as a brush I can find so that I don't really get it on the eyeliner. No, I'm just kind of bringing it straight out. Okay, so not bad. The eyeliner definitely faded a bit in that process. And now I'm gonna go in with a blue. So pray for me. I'm not mad at how this eye look is turning out. It's kind of hard to blend blue into orange. So I think that is good for the eyeshadow. Let's just move on. Foundation, okay. So now I'm gonna try my best to put my foundation on. This is probably the scariest part. I've been using this BH Cosmetics Naturally Flawless Foundation. Pretty high coverage. It's in the shade medium beige. I'm just gonna put a big glob on my hand and work in small amounts, shall we? Oh, I feel so proud of this look. I don't want it to ruin it. One side down. Oh my gosh, my face is Cakeville. After foundation is highlighter. My all-time favorite highlighter lately has been the Pillow Talk highlighter by Ofra. Just gonna put this right onto my dewy face. Damn. After highlighter comes lashes. Wow, okay. Alright, well I got the lashes right here. These are lashes from Black Magic. I did not think about putting lashes on when I chose to put that purple eyeliner. Okay, now the next thing to do is mascara. I usually put my mascara on before I put lashes on. I've been loving this Perversion mascara from Urban Decay. 2 more steps, guys. It's just setting powder and setting spray. I have been loving this Dermablend Illuminizing Banana Powder. I love setting over my highlight. That ain't it. Wow, you know what I literally forgot that I forgot? Forgot to put lips on the list. That was supposed to be after lashes, but I'll just put it on real quick right now. I'm using All Night Long by Cruelty. Just a nice little mauve nude. Alright guys, and the final step today, setting spray. I got my special all-nighter pollution protection setting spray. Here's a nice little close-up of my face. Honestly, I thought it was gonna turn out worse. So I'm pretty proud. It kind of worked out for me. Of course, I don't use primer, so at this point I would have had to put primer all over this, but I'm just not a primer girl. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I did pretty good on this challenge. Definitely let me know down below any video requests you would like, anything I haven't done before. Please comment down below. Comment anything, any of your thoughts, unless they're rude ones, you can keep those. Subscribe if you would like to see me more often, and hit that little bell button just so you're notified, because YouTube does a horrible job of letting my subscribers know that I'm posting. So I post a video every Thursday, and sometimes I post on Monday. Also, you can follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with my life on a closer basis. I'm on there a lot more often. And yeah, I love you guys, and I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you are. Just have a good one. Bye.